Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the flight to your trip in the Avianca application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the My Trips button at the bottom of the page in the middle, and then click on the Add Trip button. And in order to add the flight, you have to provide your reservation code and your last name. And once you typed both, just click on the Add Flight button and it is added to your trip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.